test of our 2018 18 plate Fiat Abarth 595 Trofeo. We've got 67,900 miles on the clock, and we're just going to get a little poodle up the road just to make sure that it all drives all okay. And it's a super little car, this. I have to say, it's a really nice example. Drives superbly, gear changes are all nice and slick, no warning lights up on the dash. You've even got a full tank of fuel in it as well. Yeah, great car. It sounds cracking as well with that little Monza exhaust system on it. Really good rasp to it. As I said, it's an 1818 plate. It's only 2 owners from new. The first owner has looked after it tremendously. The first 3 services were supplying dealer, then there were the following 4 services I think were the same independent, and then its most recent service was done I think earlier this year. Had cambelt changed in March of 2024 at just under 50,800. So the history is stonking. It's recent owner has spared no expense on it. It's been in and been serviced. It's had some other odds and ends just to keep it up to maintenance. Nothing major, just little bits and pieces as you do to keep it going. We've got 2 remote keys, which is unusual. Normally you only get the one, but it has 2 remote Abarth keys. You've got the nice bigger 7-inch stereo system, which does have Apple CarPlay, along with your DAB, your Bluetooth and so forth. The all-important sport button, which changes your dash look, just peps up the sound of the exhaust a little bit. It's being the Trofeo, it is the 160 brake as well, so it's the middle of the road in terms of its output. More than capable. It's a cracking little car. It's really lively and drives very nicely indeed. Looks great in the Abarth Red with the matte black 17-inch alloys on it. As I've mentioned as well, it has the Monza exhaust system. It's also got the little gloss black inserts on the front and rear bumper as well, which just help finish off the look of the car. But overall, it's in lovely condition, really nice. Matching Pirelli tyres all round. As I've already said, no expense has ever been spared on the maintenance and looking after the car. What I do remember as well from the last service it did have, it had new pads and discs at the front, so it's got the lovely cross-drilled discs on the front as well, which give it a nicer little look as well. So overall, a really nicely packaged little car. Great example. Lots of information up and details about the car on our website, along with all the photos and videos. If there is anything in addition that you would like to know about the car, or finance options available, or the delivery service that we offer with our own in-house delivery vehicle, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.